Hey everybody, and welcome back to Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. My name's Cliff. I'm the owner. I wanted to do something kind of cool, kind of special, an idea I've been floating around for you guys. So it's Monday, and real quickly, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. You can reach us at our website here. Plenty of great beekeeping equipment, lots of useful articles, recipes, pest control ideas. We have a blog there. Just check it out, as well as the products that we sell. Um, I've been putting out videos to teach people on how to make their own beekeeping equipment, but that doesn't really get my subscribers involved, and you guys really are what make the channel special for me. So I thought I would start directing something that would get the subscribers involved in this process. And so every Monday what I'm going to do is we're going to have a subscriber Monday. And you'll see a video come out on my channel every Monday. It'll have, subscriber Monday and then that Monday's date. If you guys watch that video, my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, please do. At the end of the video, there will be a little B over here. You can click that to subscribe and get notified. But every Monday I'll put out this video, and the comments on that video will be where you, my subscribers, put in your idea on what you want to see built. And there can be some discussion amongst you. But what I'll do is I'll look through those comments 48 hours afterwards, so on Wednesday. And then on Wednesday, the piece of equipment that the most people have mentioned, we'll take that as a product, or as a project, I'm sorry, and I'll build that for you guys, make the plans, put the plans together, get you a cut list, and then make a video on the step-by-step process you'll use to make that particular product. So over time, each week, on each Monday, you might not get chosen this week because you got outvoted by other people wanting a specific thing, but you will eventually be able to get a video made by me on the exact piece of equipment that you want. And I think this will bring some relevance to the channel, to my subscribers. It'll make it more of a resource for you, because it's great for looking at videos about stuff that we've made in the past, but it might not be exactly what you're looking for. And I'd really like to be able to engage you guys, since you guys are subscribing to my channel and supporting me, and I really appreciate it. So I thought this would be a really great idea. If none of you want me to do it, then none of you make comments on the subscriber Monday, and I'll get the hint and I'll stop doing them after a few weeks. But if you guys are interested in it and you want to see something made, you can't find a good video, and you like the way that I produce my videos, the step-by-steps that I do, then please let me know. So that first video is this video. Welcome to Subscriber Monday. So please check out, or not check out, but please try to figure out something that you'd like to see made, maybe a product that you've thought about using, or a product that you were having a hard time finding at a retailer, and post it in the comments below. Let me know what it is. If a couple of people ask for the same thing, or if someone replies to your comment with, hey, that's a great idea, I'll count that as a vote. And whatever idea has the most replies to it with that's good, that's what I want as well, then that's the one that we'll do for the week. And I'll have the video out for you on Friday after we check, Friday or Saturday, depending on how busy I am, but on Wednesday I'll check the votes, check the comments, and I'll get to work for you guys. So use me as your woodworker that you can actually tell what to build, and I'll build it for you. Anyway, I really appreciate all the love and support and stuff I get on this channel. The number of subscribers I gain constantly is just really awesome, and I wanted to give something back to you guys, and this is the best thing that I could figure I could do. So please post below in the comments what you'd like to see built, so that I can teach you how to do it easily, because I try to make everything with nothing but a table saw. And for you more advanced woodworkers, you'll see the steps that are done on the table saw that might be better suited for a router or a shaper or whatever equipment that you have. But for the general subscriber base with not many tools, we try to do everything on a table saw. So let's get to work. Let me know what you guys want. It's Subscriber Monday, and I'll check out the video comments on Wednesday, and we'll see who wins. And then on Friday, after I make the video, whoever's idea had the most votes, the most replies to it, I'll give you a shout out in the video in which we actually make that item. So thank you again. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when we produce these videos and put them out. And look forward to seeing me every Monday on this. I'll still come out with some videos here and there for a random piece of beekeeping equipment, but this will be a fun way for us to engage. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on Wednesday or Friday. Have a good night.